Yeah, we're getting a little snow. Started around 11:30. Rabbits are all okay. The tractor has been wrapped. The Cub Cadet with the plow is ready. The truck is in the shop. We're set. Well, the snow thrower is out of commission right now due to the no PTO, but we got the 1450 with the plow. At least I was able to keep up on the driveway. Got some nice drifts going too. A lot of snow. I love it. Hey, welcome to the farm, everyone. It's about 20 degrees, and yesterday we experienced a blizzard that came through from about noon, maybe 11 o'clock yesterday, and then lasted till last night. So right now I'm down here checking on the rabbits. What I'm doing is I'm bringing hot water down here and I'm emptying out all their containers. And what I've been doing is I got all the cages but one. Let's see, can you see that? Yep, you can see that. I'm getting these little Crocs. They're plastic from Tractor Supply, and they're working pretty well. I just got to check them 3 times a day, and so far so good. It's pretty cold. Last night I went through, came through with a snow thrower and a plow and made some paths. So, but we'll probably get on the snow thrower again today because the lane. Our lane, I cleared it last night, but it didn't really, it looks like I didn't even do it last night, so, but we'll get to that in a minute. So, but let me check on the rabbits, see how they're all doing, and then we'll go get on the Super Garden tractor and start throwing some snow. So, see you in a little bit. All right, so good news is all the rabbits, all the kits, everyone's good. Winter Wonderland. I don't think I'll be cutting any wood for a little bit. Nice little overhang going. All right, this is from last night. Do I hear a snowmobile? Nope. Oh, looks like some limbs went down at the neighbor's. So let's see how much. There's I'd say it's about a good foot of a drift. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is probably get out here with a snow thrower and clear out some snow so I can move their cage for the tractor. Alright, so George, Cookies, where you guys at? Oh, you guys are way up in there. Oh. What's up? You guys doing okay? What are you guys doing up there, huh? Crazies. So all 6 are doing really good. I did give them some more pellets yesterday than what I normally do, but they're doing good. But I definitely got to move them. I moved this. I think I'm gonna have to start moving it twice a day. No, Cookies, come on, get down. Get down, crazy. George,
Cookies, and everyone else. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Come here, George. What's up, Cookies? Cookies! All right. Time to get out the super with the snow thrower and put a dent in all this snow.
3 layers of underwear.
Really?
2 layers of pants. 2 layers of socks. 2 layers of gloves. A hat. 3 layers of jackets plus 1 shirt underneath. A scarf. And I'm ready for winter.
You're ready for winter. All right.
Woohoo!
All right, so grab a shovel and start digging.
Yeah.
Let me see what boots you got on. What boots do you have on?
Yeah.
Those are not the winter boots.
Who cares?
Those are just like muck boots.
Who cares?
Your feet are gonna get really cold.
No, they're not.
Oh, yes they will. I'll give you about 10 minutes. You're gonna be starting to head into the house.
I'm sinking in snow.
Well, we get once I get the lane cleared out and get a path cut out for the bunnies, then we'll pull you guys on the tractor, okay?
Sweet.
All right. So you gotta tell your sisters though too.
They're
Hey, go up
inside.
to the house and have your sisters.
Mom's on the phone.
Yeah, I know.
She wants no noise.
She works. She's working from home.
And she doesn't want any snow.
All right. Good luck on that. Mama gets to work from home today, so turning the kitchen into the office. Welcome to Midwest winter, sweetie. This is what I've been trying to tell you about last year. So this is my super garden tractor. It's a Cadet 1782. And it has a snow thrower on it, and this is the one that we purchased last year, September of last year, like a month after we moved here. And I've been dying all year to use this. And I finally got to use it for the first time last night. And I had a heck of a time. No. I had one heck of a time throwing snow yesterday, or last night. So even though most of it, you don't even look like I did anything. But mounted up a light so I could see, and that way others can see me when I'm getting close to the road. But the problem is, my PTO clutch went out. So it's like, it's locked in, it's engaged. I talked to my father about it. I tested it, and the ohms are good. It's getting voltage, but it's just, the rear bearing is like seized. So if I can get this started again, the snow thrower is going to be permanently engaged while I'm driving, which really sucks. So hopefully we can get it running. It's a foot inch. It doesn't make any sense. We have to be very, very careful because that thing is going to come down any minute. Beautiful blue sky. I can't see you. I'm blinded by the light and the snow.
Well, I'm coming, but my feet are too slow.
Your feet are too slow. Well, how about you get out of the snow and onto the path? So how many layers are you wearing?
3
3 layers of what?
pants.
3
shirts.
3 pants, 3 shirts.
Uh-huh.
You got your hat, my cozy hat. You suck.
No, I don't.
All right. Hey, up on top of the cages over there's a big block of ice that was from one of their containers. You should go check it out. It's really crystal clear. All right, I'm gonna get started on the tractor.
Oh, come here, Santa. Chewie, ah!
Run, Chewie, run! They're gonna smother you. Hey, you can go, oh, excuse me. You guys can go make snow angels.
Really?
Yep.
Yay!
You got all this fresh snow right over there. However, if you feel a lump in your back, it might be frozen dog poop. Just saying. And you'll know if it's Remy's because it's pretty big. Alright, we got it running. But I did realize something. Ag tires really suck in the snow and ice. So I don't get a lot of traction. But we'll go what we can. Cadet. Alright, tell her to come see me right now. We're making gravel lanes clear again. Get ready, stay back. Here we go. Come on out! Did you like that? Hey, stay away from the road. Stay on the other side of the bushes. So having a bunch of wood chips has turned out to be an extra benefit for us. The joys of wood chips. Hold on. Go. Boop. All right, Sana, go help her. So that was a pickle barrel because we only have that sled really. Cut it, throw it on a 2x6. The girls can use that as a temporary sled.
Let's do it again, guys.
Turn it around.
Daddy.
Hold on.
I want to try it first.
Erica, manners, please. Grab the handle.
Get on. Sana. No. Get on. Hold the handles.
All right, go. I say that's a success. Go.
Ready? Ow, my butt.
Go.
Sana, you might as well. Ow!
Burr. Back down at the rabbit tree again. It's supposed to get down to 9 degrees tonight. So, because that west wall is open, we had the tarp up. I'm gonna put the tarp back up, cover them all. They already have a lot of plastic around them, like my bucks. I have 6 mil plastic, triple layered, quadruple layered, on top and on the back. So these guys should be good. I'm gonna stuff in more straw, more hay, put in some warm water in their feeders, so that way it breaks up the, melts the ice a little bit, give them a little bit more time to drink some water tonight. Got some more feed, fill up the feeders, and then once the waters and the feeders, the waterers and the feeders are filled, I'm gonna put the tarp over them and then call it a night. So then check back tomorrow morning, make sure all kits and all does and bucks are alive and well. So we'll be back in a little bit. See ya.
All right, so the majority of all the rabbits are taken care of. So we have the tarp up and it comes up to those 2x6s. So that way the wind can still circulate through and then come underneath, but underneath there's a tarp to catch all the droppings. So really it's just gonna kind of swirl a little bit in here. The only thing is my bucks, but they're protected out of the wind. So they got some good straw and good hay. So I think we'll be okay. Plus I got, from what I told Kevin and Sarah from Living Traditions, they gave me a good compliment. And that means a lot coming from them because they are like rabbit experts. I've learned so much from them. So thank you, Kevin and Sarah. It means a great deal. So now we're gonna go check on the 6 that are out in the rabbit tractor, get them some hay, get some straw, top off their waters and their feeders. And then we're gonna call it a night because it's getting cold. So we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Almost forgot, we gotta feed the cats. So, Toothless, our replacement cat for Katarina, took off like a week and a half ago. Had no idea where it was at. We thought it was dead. Oh, hey. Oh. Luckily, Jamie from Raymore Animal Control sent me a text. Hey, I got your cat. Bring him down later. So, the barn cat situation is this. So we got Chewy.
Chewy's a good little mouser. Let's see, we got Felix tucked away in the corner. What you doing, dude? You gonna say hi? You gonna come out? You're just like, screw you, leave me alone, I'm trying to stay warm. So, there's Felix in there. And now we have our convict. Our convict cat, Toothless, has returned. Toothless is a long-haired black male cat. Nice cat, very, very loving, very approachable. But yeah, he likes to escape and wander the streets of Raymore. All right, that's it. I know I've said this before, but this is it. I'm going back into the house. I'm going to bed. I'm gonna get bundled up, layered up, under the covers. Probably make a hot toddy just to be on the safe side, and then call it a night, so I can sleep really good. So, and then, oh, by the way, school is canceled once again tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, the girls and I are gonna go up to the church, and we're gonna shovel the driveway, or shovel the sidewalks. So I'm gonna put them to use. Good community service. So, all right, everyone have a good night. Be safe if you're out on the roads in this wintry weather condition, and by all means, stay warm. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.